Today we'll do the next topic, that is cube root of unity. So what is unity basically? Unity means 1. Okay, number 1 is often called unity. Okay, and we have to find out the cube root of unity. It means if x cube is equal to 1, then what will be the value of x? That we have to find out. So cube root, there will be 3 roots of x. So that 3 roots we have to find out, because in quadratic equation x का square, x का part 2 रहता है, so there are, it means x का, there will be how many solutions are there? There will be 2 roots of x. Similarly, when x का power is 3, there will be 3 roots of x. Okay, so x cube is equal to 1. It means x cube minus 1 is equal to 0. Now x minus 1, if we'll take common, what will be left behind? X square plus x plus 1, that is equal to 0. It means either x minus 1 is equal to 0 or x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0, right? So one solution to यहाँ मिल गया, x is equal to 1. Or next is, here we'll apply x is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac वाला formula divided by 2a. Okay, so what value will get? यहाँ पे a का value is 1, b का value is 1, c का value is 1. Okay, so x will be minus 1 plus minus square root of 1 का square minus 4 into 1 into 1. Okay, divided by 2 into 1. So what value will get for x? Minus 1 plus minus square root of 1 minus 4 divided by 2. 1 minus 4 को we can also write minus 3, square root of minus 3, and square root of minus 1 will be equal to I, and square root of 3 as it is will write here. Okay, so basically we got here, यहाँ पे 1 value हमें यहाँ मिला, and here x के लिए there will be 2 values. एक होगा minus 1 plus I root 3 upon 2, and second is minus 1 minus I root 3 upon 2. Okay, so these are the 3 values, okay, for x. So there cube roots of unity, 3 roots. Cube roots means 3 roots. So the cube roots of unity will be, so unity are 1 minus 1 plus I root 3 upon 2, and minus 1 minus I root 3 upon 2. Okay, now we can see these 2 roots are there, and these 2 are conjugate of each other, because minus 1 is there, only I के साथ जो भी number रहता है, I mean imaginary part, उसका sign change होता है, the sign of the imaginary part will change only. Okay, so you can see these 2 are conjugate of each other. Okay, so one root is 1 and other 2 roots are conjugate of each other. Now we'll take one root. ये root हम लेकर चलते हैं, minus 1 plus I root 3 upon 2. Now we have to find out the square of this root. So what we are getting, just check. So it will be minus 1 का square plus I root 3 का square minus 2 into, or we can write plus 2 into minus 1 into I root 3. Okay, ऐसे भी हम लिख सकते हैं, divided by 2 का square, that is 4. Okay, so what value we are getting? Minus 1 का square will be 1, minus I root 3 का square will be minus 3 plus 2 root 3 I, so minus 2 root 3 I we are getting here, divided by 4. Now it will be equal to 1 minus 3 will be minus 2, and यहाँ पे minus 2 root 3 I divided by 4. Now we'll take 2 common and we'll divide. So what we'll get, 2 common दिया, so minus 1 minus root 3 I divided by 4, 2. So basically what value we are getting here, minus 1 minus root 3 I divided by 2. So minus 1 minus root 3 I divided by 2. Now compare minus 1 minus I root 3 divided by 2. So when we are, we can see here, when we are finding out the score of one root, we are getting another root. So these two conjugates, these two roots which are conjugate to each other, these are like, if one is, just consider this one as omega, then this one will be omega square. So there are three roots, it will be considered as 1 omega and omega square. Okay, these three roots are, and similarly when we'll score, we'll find out the score of this root, we'll get this one. Okay, so we can say that these are the three roots of unity, three cube roots of unity, three roots of unity. 1 plus omega square will be equal to 0. Okay, now if omega cube is equal to 1, then if omega cube is equal to 1, then omega cube minus 1 will be equal to 0, and omega minus 1 into omega square plus omega plus 1 will be equal to 0. Okay, so it means omega is equal to 1, or omega square plus omega plus plus 1 will be equal to 0. Okay, so this cannot be equal to 0 because omega is not equal to 1. Okay, it means this one will be valid. So we can say that 1 plus omega square is equal to 0. Okay, now we'll see the properties of 1 omega and omega square. Okay, the first property says that omega square will be equal to 1 upon omega, and 1 upon omega square will be equal to omega. Okay, now why? Because omega square is equal to omega, omega square will be equal to omega, and omega will be equal to omega square. ये है ना, because see there are three roots जिसमें से दो roots conjugate हैं. So if this one is omega, then this one will be omega square. So omega square will be equal to omega, and omega will be equal to omega. So इसको square करेंगे we'll get this one, इसको square करेंगे we'll get this one. Okay, now next property is omega cube is equal to 1. Okay, so it means omega to the power 3n will be also equal to 1. Okay, now next is omega to the power 4 will be equal to omega to the power 3 into omega, and that will be equal to omega, because omega 3 ka value will be equal to 1. So and when we are multiplying 1 into omega, we'll get omega, so that's why it will be omega. It means omega का पावर 3n plus 1 रहेगा, तो it will be omega. Now next one is omega to the power 5 is equal to omega square into omega cube. Okay, so omega cube is equal to 1 and omega square होगा, तो omega this will be equal to omega square into 1, and omega square and this will be equal to omega square. Okay, it means what? Omega to the power 3n plus 2 will be equal to omega square. Okay, now next one, omega bar complement of omega will be equal to omega square, conjugate of omega will be equal to omega square, ये तो हमने देखा है. Now next one is conjugate of omega का whole square will be equal to omega. Okay, so these are the properties of omega 1 omega and omega square. So based on these properties and these concepts, we'll do sums. Okay, so in our first question we have to find out the we have omega, and omega is complex cube root of unity. Then what we have to do, we have to prove that 1 plus omega square is equal to -1. Okay, तो ये हम कैसे प्रूव कर सकते हैं? How can we prove this? LHS is equal to, since we know that omega cube is equal to 1, okay, and omega square plus omega plus 1 is equal to 0. ठीक है, it means 1 plus omega square plus 1 will be equal to minus omega, and omega plus 1 will be equal to omega square minus omega square. ठीक है, now what we will do, we will take LHS, that is 1 upon omega plus 1 upon omega square. Okay, now we'll find out the LHS. I mean so it will be omega divided by omega square. अगर हम लिखेंगे, so when we are multiplying omega with numerator and denominator, we will get omega plus omega divided by omega square and 1 divided by omega square. So it will be omega plus 1 divided by omega square. And now what is the value of omega square, omega plus 1? It is minus omega square divided by omega square. Omega omega cancel, it will be equal to -1, that is equal to RHS. Hence proved. Okay, so next question now we'll do. Next question is, again we have to prove something. This one is first. Now second question, what we will do, 1 plus omega square का whole square will be equal to minus omega. Okay, so what we have to prove, we have to prove that if 1 plus omega to the power 3 is equal to -1. Okay, so this one we have to prove. So how we'll prove this? LHS is equal to 1 plus omega square का whole cube. Okay, and as we know that 1 plus omega square का value क्या होता है? minus omega. So this will be equal to minus omega whole cube. Okay, तो minus omega whole cube हम लेंगे, it will be minus omega cube. Okay, and minus omega cube will be minus, as we know that omega cube is equal to 1, so it will be -1, hence that is equal to RHS, hence proved. Okay, now what we have to do, now next question we will do. In next what we have to prove, that we have to prove that 1 minus omega plus omega square to the power 3 is equal to -8. Okay, so what we will do here, we'll take LHS, and that is equal to 1 plus omega square minus omega, हम बाद में लिख देते हैं. Okay, to the power 3. Okay, as we know that 1 plus omega square का वैल्यू क्या होगा? 1 plus omega square का वैल्यू होगा minus omega. Now so this will be equal to minus omega, and ये minus omega तो we'll write here to the power 3, so it will be minus 2 omega to the power 3. So minus 2 का cube will be -8, and omega का cube will be omega cube. So as we know that omega cube is equal to 1, so we'll write here -8 into 1, that is equal to -8, and that is RHS, hence proved. Okay, now we'll do the next question. Again we have to prove something. Okay, so if 1 minus omega into 1 minus omega square into 1 minus omega to the power 4 into 1 minus omega to the power 5, that is equal to 9, you have to prove that. Now we'll take LHS here. Now 1 minus omega into 1 into 1 minus omega square into 1 minus omega to the power 4, 1 minus omega to the power 5. Okay, so how we'll do this? Here we'll write 1 minus omega as it is, we'll write here. Okay, so 1 minus omega. Now 1 minus omega square. Okay, so as we know that 1 minus omega square we'll write here, and now next 1 minus omega to the power 4 को we can write omega to the power 3 into omega. Okay, and 1 minus omega to the power 5 को we can write omega to the power 3 into omega square. Okay, so it will be 1 minus omega into 1 minus omega square, and this one will be omega cube is equal to 1. So 1 minus 1 into omega will be 1, it will be 1, 1 minus omega, and 1 minus omega cube into omega square, omega cube will be equal to 1. So 1 into omega square will be equal to omega square. So 1 minus omega square. Okay? So now next what we will do, it will be 1 minus omega into 1 minus omega will be 1 minus omega का whole square, and 1 minus omega square into 1 minus omega square, this will be equal to 1 minus omega square का whole square. Okay, so now we'll find out the value. How we'll find out the value? See, 1 minus omega, it means 1 minus omega into 1 minus omega square का whole square we can take. Okay, so now we'll multiply first. 1 minus omega into 1 minus omega square, 1 into 1 will be 1, 1 into omega minus omega will be minus omega. Now 1 into omega square will be equal to 1 minus omega square, 1 into minus omega square will be equal to minus omega square, and 1 into 1 into this one, this omega square. Okay, now minus omega square minus omega will be equal to minus plus omega cube. Okay, whole square. So it will be equal to 1, and we'll take minus common, so omega plus omega square, and this will be plus omega cube is equal to 1. Okay, square. So now we can write 1, and omega, since omega plus omega square plus 1 is equal to 0, it means omega plus omega square will be equal to minus 1. Okay, so for this one we'll write minus 1 and plus 1 square. So 1 minus plus 1 square, that is equal to 3 ka square. 3 ka square will be equal to 9, that is equal to RHS, hence prove. See what we have to prove here, that should be equal to 9. Okay, hence prove. Now we'll do one more question based on the same thing, same concept. 1 plus omega to the power n plus omega 2n to the power 2n is equal to 3, and if n is the multiple of 3, it means n is 3m या 3x ले लेते, 3m ले लेते हैं. Okay, so multiple of 3 means 3m. Okay, so we'll write here LHS 1 plus omega n plus omega 2n, that should be equal to n की जगह we can write 3m. So 1 plus omega 3m plus omega to the power 2 into 3m. So this will be equal to 1 plus omega 3m plus omega 6m. Okay, तो 3 का मल्टीपल कोई भी रहेगा, it will be 1. So this is 1, and ये 3 का मल्टीपल है पावर 3. So omega cube is equal to 1, so 1 ka power m will be equal to 1, so plus 1. Again omega cube is equal to 1 and 1 ka power 2m will be equal to 1, so it will be equal to 3, that is equal to RHS, hence proved. Okay, now we'll see some more questions in the next video. So I hope you understood the concept and properties of cube root of unity and how to find out the cube root of unities. And also remember 1 plus omega square is equal to 0, and 1 omega and omega square, all three are the cube roots of unity. And one more thing that you should remember always, that the two roots, except one, there are two other roots, and these two roots are conjugate of each other, and also squaring one root will get another root, and squaring another root will get the first root. Okay, so it means if we'll take this as omega, we'll get this one as omega square, and if we'll take this one as omega, we'll get this one as omega square. Okay, so I hope you understood the concept, I hope you understood the sums. For any query, any doubt, please comment. Do like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Thank you.